If you're wanting something different for breakfast, which is low carb, keto friendly, sugar and gluten free, then this recipe is for you.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, I place in shredded coconut followed by coconut flakes. Next, I add flaked almonds, pepitas, sunflower seeds, and chia seeds. I then add cinnamon, which is such an amazing flavor first thing in the morning, and then add in your sugar substitute, in my case, that's stevia. And then I add in vanilla extract and finally, coconut oil. Mix everything together really well. Now at this stage you might be thinking, why do we add the oil? It helps bind everything together, but also keeps the mixture fresh while storing it in the fridge later on. But to really enhance all these flavors, place the mixture on a lined baking tray and spread out. Now place the mixture into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Now every 5 minutes, just take it out of the oven and stir so nothing gets burned and everything toasts evenly. Leave the mixture to cool completely and then serve with your preferred nut-based milk. Almond milk is especially nice. Once cooled, you can keep the mixture in an airtight container. I keep it in the fridge personally, and I give it a good mix every time before eating it. It's everything you want in a cereal. It's crunchy, full of flavor, and good for you. It also makes a great trail mix to snack on during the day too. As always, you can get the recipe in the video description along with all the nutritional info. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for another recipe.